Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code on Bigo Live. Okay, so first you have to come to where I am right now, like on our profile, and to get here, you have to look at the bottom of my screen. You can see about 5 icons. Right now we're going to focus on the icon that's on the bottom right corner, the me icon. So you're going to click on that, and once you click on that, that will take you here. And once we're here, we're going to look at the top right corner. There are 2 icons, a settings icon and a little person icon. We're going to click on the settings icon. And after that, as you can see, we have a couple of options: privacy, blocked list, account management, device manager, notifications, video quality, material library, display over other apps, Fun Bigo, About Us, Help Us Translate, and Scan QR Code. So we're going to click on that, dismiss, and this will show up. Once this will show up, all you have to do is scan the QR code and you're done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys!